Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are well. So, again, I welcoming you all online session. So, children, today we will see the rest part of explanation of this lesson, the seven wise men. So, we will continue this lesson, and today we will see page number 100. So, children, I am reading this page number. The wise man, now looking quite sad, met a shepherd. The shepherd asked them, "My friend, where are you from? Why are you so sad?" "We have come from a far off village," replied one of the wise men. "We have lost one person of our group," said the second. "There were 7 of us and now we are only 6, said the third. "Have you seen anyone in this place?" asked another. The shepherd looked astonished. He said, "But I can see 7 of you." He placed his hand on each man's shoulder and counted aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. "Ah," cried the wise man, "thank you, dear shepherd. You have found our missing brother." The 7 wise men jumped for joy. They went home feeling very happy that they had found their lost companion. So, children, let's see explanation. The wise man, now looking quite sad, met a shepherd. So here what happened? The wise men now looking quiet. Why they are quiet? Because one of उन लोग के जो साथ में एक फ्रेंड्स था ना, जिनको वो काउंट प्रॉपरली नहीं कर पा रहे थे और उन लोगों को लग रहा था कि उनके साथ का जो एक कोई है वो मिस हो गया है. सो इस कारण वे जो सारे लोग थे वो क्वाइट थे. Met a shepherd. The shepherd asked them, "My friends, where are you from? Why are you so sad?" तो क्या हुआ? शेपर्ड मीन्स जो ए मैन हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ शीप, मतलब जो भेड़ बकरियों को चराता है ना, उसे क्या कहते हैं? शेपर्ड कहते हैं. तो उनका सामना किससे होता है? शेपर्ड से होता है. और जब द शेपर्ड आस्क देम, तो शेपर्ड उन लोगों को उदास देखकर पूछता है, "माय फ्रेंड," यानी मेरे दोस्तों, "वाई आर यू फ्रॉम? वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?" तुम कहाँ से हो? "वाई आर यू सो सैड?" और तुम क्यों इतने उदास किस लिए हो? "वी हैव कम फ्रॉम ए फार ऑफ विलेज." तो जो वाइस मैन थे वो लोग आंसर देते हैं कि वी आर फ्रॉम फार ऑफ विलेज, मतलब हम लोग बहुत दूर से आए हैं. रिप्लाई वन ऑफ द वाइस मैन, एक वाइस मैन था वो रिप्लाई किया. "वी हैव लॉस्ट वन पर्सन ऑफ अवर ग्रुप, बट वाट हैपन नाउ? वी आर मिसिंग वन पर्सन ऑफ अवर ग्रुप," सेड द सेकेंड वन ने बोला. "दे वर 7 ऑफ अस, नाउ वी आर ओनली 6." सो हम लोग सारे 7 लोग थे, सारे 7 लोग थे, बट अब हम काउंट कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग सिर्फ 6 लोग ही हैं. सेड द थर्ड पर्सन ने कहा. "हैव यू सीन एनीवन इन दिस प्लेस?" आस्क्ड अनदर. तो उनमें से एक पर्सन ने पूछा, "क्या तुमने यहाँ पर किसी और पर्सन को देखा है?" द शेपर्ड लुक्ड एस्टोनिश्ड, मीन्स ग्रेटली सरप्राइज्ड और इम्प्रेस्ड, अमेज्ड, मतलब कोई चीज़ को हक्का बक्का रह के देखना बोलते हैं, अचानक एकदम से. द शेपर्ड लुक्ड एस्टोनिश्ड, ही सेड, "बट आई कैन सी 7 ऑफ यू." मतलब वो बोला कि मैं तो पर तुम लोगों को 7 लोगों को देख पा रहा हूँ. मतलब मैं बहुत ही बड़ा सरप्राइज हूँ कि मैं तो खुद ही तुम लोगों को 7 लोगों को देख पा रहा हूँ. ही प्लेस्ड हिज हैंड ऑन ईच मैन शोल्डर, और मैं तुम 7 लोगों के शोल्डर पे हाथ रख के काउंट कर रहा हूँ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, तो 7 काउंट हो रहा है, आप तो सारे 7 लोग हैं। क्राइड द वाइस मैन, थैंक यू डियर शेपर्ड, यू हैव फाउंड अवर मिसिंग ब्रदर। तो वो सारे वो जो सारे वाइस मैन जो थे वो सारे खुश हुए, इम्प्रेस्ड हुए, थैंक्स बोले किसको, शेपर्ड को, कि तुम्हारे कारण जो हमारे हमारे साथ का जो एक पर्सन था वो जो मिस हो गया था उसको तुमने फाइंड आउट कर दिया। सो वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू कि आपने हम उसको ढूंढ के ला दिया। सो द 7 वाइस मैन जम्प्ड फॉर जॉय, अब वो खुशी से पागल होके झूम रहे थे, मतलब बहुत ही खुश हो गए थे कि उनका एक पर्सन, उनके ग्रुप का एक मेंबर जो मिस हो गया था वो उनके बीच आ गया है। दे वेंट होम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी दैट दे हैड फाउंड देयर लॉस्ट कंपेनियन, कंपेनियन मीन्स जो उनके साथ का जो लॉस्ट फ्रेंड था वो उनके साथ आ गया है करके वे लोग खुश होकर बहुत ही अच्छी फीलिंग के साथ अपने घर वापस लौट गए। ओके, so this one is very interesting story na. So let's see children, page number 101, we will see meaning of new word. Okay, so let's see meaning of new word. So let's start this meaning of new word. So first one is foolish. So let's see foolish, not clever. Okay, foolish, not clever. Second one is fortune, luck. Fortune, luck. Down here meaning is sunrise, daybreak. And the next meaning is, we will see the next one, sick here meaning is look for. Sick here meaning is look for. Now the sick here meaning is look for. Next here meaning missing meaning is lost. कुछ भी चीज़ मिस हो जाता है ना तो हम बोलते हैं ना लॉस्ट हो गया यानी घूम गया। So next one is crawl here meaning is move on the ground on 4 legs. Okay, crawl करते हैं ना, छोटे बच्चे crawl करते हैं legs के थ्रू, घुटने के बल चलते बोलते हैं ना। So next one is, next है shepherd, a man who takes care of sheep. Shepherd here meaning is a man who take care of sheep. Companion here meaning is friend. Ditches here meaning is long narrow holes in the ground. Long narrow holes in the ground. So the next here is look. Say whether the statement given below are true or false. So we will see true or false. First one is, let's see first one. The 7 men were very wise. The 7 men were very wise. So this one is false. We will see this one is false. And the second one, the 7 wise men left home at dawn. Yes, this one is true. Second one. Now see the third one, they were only 6 men, not 7. This one is false because they are 7 person. Fourth one, the shepherd found the missing man in the bushes. No, वो यहाँ वहाँ कहीं से नहीं ढूंढा था वो, क्योंकि वो लोग तो खुद ही 7 लोग थे जब shepherd ने काउंट किया तो। Fifth one, the 7 men were happy that they had found their lost companion. हाँ, खुश तो थे क्योंकि उन्हें लग रहा था कि उनके साथ जो वो लोग थे उनमें से कोई लॉस्ट हो गया है, और जब बाद में मिला तो वो लोग काफ़ी खुश थे। Now see next one, choose the correct answer. So children, come to this question number next question, and this one is choose the correct answer. So let's start this one. People call the seven men wise. So this one क्या है? People call the seven men wise because they were learned, because they travel far and wide for fun. C. So here we have to write down C. This one, the correct answer is C. Okay. Now see the next one. Second one is the seven wise men wanted to search for, and here's the option is some fortune, the missing man, some food. The seven wise men wanted to search for the missing man. Okay, so second correct answer is B. Now see the third one. The shepherd saw seven of them, saw only six of them search for the missing man. So this one is the correct answer, A1. The shepherd saw seven of them. Now see the fourth one. Each of the seven wise men did not count properly, know how to count himself. Each of the seven wise men did not. So here you have to write down the correct answer is count himself. Okay. C1. So the correct answer is C1, count himself. Each of the seven wise men did not count himself. जब भी वो काउंट कर रहे थे तो अपने आप को काउंट करना भूल जा रहे थे. ओके. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन आंसर. Okay, so question answer here is I am telling here question answer. What did the seven wise men decide to do? Now the second one is why were the wise men said? Third one is whom did the wise men forget to count? Whom did the wise men forget to count? Now the next question is who helped them find their lost companion? And the last question is do you think the seven men were wise? Why not? Okay. So let's see once again. I am reading this lesson. Listen it carefully, children, from starting. The seven wise men. So let's hope we have to start this lesson. The seven wise men. Long ago in a far off place there lived seven wise men. They were not wise in the real sense. They were very foolish and knew nothing of the outside world. People call them wise for fun. One fine day they decided to leave their home to seek their fortunes. They left their village and town. They walked for a long time. By evening they were tired. They sat down under some trees to rest. I hope we all are here, said the first wise man. The others were silent. So the wise man continued, if someone is missing, please put up your hand. No hand went up. So the first wise man was quite sure that no one was missing. The second wise man was not sure. He stood up and said, let's count to see if we all are here, and began to point to the others and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the wise man forget to count himself. One of us is missing. He said in surprise, we are not seven, we are only 6. You have not counted properly. Let me count and see, said the third wise man. So he began to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, one of us is indeed missing. He said, who missing? Asked another. Then all of them got to their feet and started counting, but each one forget to count himself. They decided to go back and search for the missing man. They looked in the branches, crawled behind rocks and searched all over the place. Then they looked in the ditches and fields, but there was no sign of the missing friend. The wise man, now looking quite sad, met a shepherd. The shepherd asked them, "My friend, where are you from? Why are you so sad?" "We have come from a far off village," replied one of the wise men. "We have lost one person of our group," said the second. "There were 7 of us and now we are only 6," said the third. "Have you seen anyone in this place?" asked another. The shepherd looked astonished. He said, "But I can see 7 of you." He placed his hand on each man's shoulder and counted aloud, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. "Ah," cried the wise man, "thank you, dear shepherd. You have found our missing brother." The 7 wise men jumped for joy. They went home feeling very happy that they had found their lost companion. So, thank you, children. This one is the explanation of this lesson, the 7 wise men. Okay, thank you.